Hey y'all, today we'll be doing an intro to pole routine, so grab your heels and let's dance. So we're going to start with our inside hand high, hips are away from the pole, feet close to the base, so inside leg is close to the pole and outside is away. So we're going to walk inside, outside, inside, outside. Okay? And then if you're tired, just walk to the other side, same thing. Inside, outside, inside. If you want to learn how to stylize your walk, I have a video on that as well. So you can add head rolls, hip sways, and stroke your body with your other hand. Okay, cool. Next, again, we're starting with our walk, stepping inside, outside, inside, outside. Our outside hand is going to grab across to the pole. We're going to turn our chest to face open, feet close to the base, hips pulling away from the pole, wrapping our bicep around the pole and falling back into our falling lady spin onto the ground. Again, so we're just going to reset from our walk, inside, outside, inside, outside, grabbing the pole, turning our chest to face away, hips away from the pole, falling back. So I have another video on the falling lady spin as well, if you're interested in watching that for more help. From there, we're just going to extend our top leg, open up to a V, and cross for our floor fan kick. And you're just going to stroke your leg and give it a smack for some extra flair. Not necessary, but optional. But I like to be extra, so I hope y'all know that. And then from there, you just roll onto your shins. So again, extend the top leg out, opening up to a V, bending the bottom leg and crossing and stroking and smacking. Good. And then bring it back. And then bringing it back to the other side and just rolling onto our shins and our knees. From there, you're just going to hit the floor and pop up. So when you stand, one leg is bent, one leg is straight, and you're just going to arch your body up. I think I lost balance there for a little bit, so I try to play it off. So again, kneeling, hands on the ground, popping up, one leg bent, one leg straight. And I believe I show it from a different angle, just in case you were unsure of what it's looking like. So again, putting more pressure into your hands so you can jump up to your feet. All right, so we're gonna go for another walk again. Inside, outside, inside. And then we're just going to bring our outside leg up and hook at the knee pit and calf and arch our head back. And that's it. Okay, from the beginning, walking, grabbing the pole, opening up our chest, falling back for our falling lady spin, extending the top leg for a fan kick over to one side, and then bringing it back towards the other side. Good, and roll onto your shins and popping up to a stand, one knee bent, one leg straight, finding our balance, coming back to the pole, and then walking again, and hooking our outside leg, maybe arching the head back, stroking it, our leg. Great job, bye.